You've seen the glamorous pictures, the sky-high Burj Khalifa, and the fleets of supercars. But that's just one side of Dubai. After living here for 20 years, I want to show you the real soul of my city. The authentic side that tourists almost always miss. To find the city's true heartbeat, forget the massive highways and start in the Fahidi Historical Neighbourhood. These narrow, winding alleys are the original streets of the city, full of history. The best way to see this part of Dubai is by taking a traditional Abra boat tour across the creek, giving you a perfect perspective of old Dubai from the water. For a true taste of Emirati hospitality, visit a local gem like the Arabian Tea House. But for an evening with a view, you have to try a sightseeing dinner cruise. It's a fantastic way to see the modern skyline lit up at night while enjoying your meal. For the best of these experiences, like the Abra tour or that dinner cruise, I always book my tickets online in advance. To get the lowest prices and have tickets sent straight to your mobile, I use the website www.book-dubai.com. So skip the usual tourist traps and go discover the real heart of Dubai for yourself. Do you have any favorite hidden spots? Let me know down in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.